Imagine you're a sniper concealed somewhere in the northern hemisphere, aiming for a target 1,000 yards away. You hold your breath and squeeze the trigger, but somehow you always miss by a few inches to the right. What the hell, right? Well, you obviously forgot to take into account the rotation of our planet. Earth spins around its axis from west to east once every 24 hours. Since the circumference of Earth is a little over 24,000 miles, this means a sniper at the equator is moving roughly 1,000 miles per hour to the east. But because of the curvature of our planet, someone closer to the north or south pole will be moving slower. Obviously, since they don't have to cover as much space to complete one rotation in the same amount of time. So if you're at the equator shooting a target due north, your bullet is not only moving north, but because of the spin of our planet, to the east as well. But due to Earth's curvature, as it moves north, it will move relatively faster to the east than the ground it's flying over. The further it travels north, the greater the speed difference. So by the time the bullet reaches its target, which is also moving east but at a slower speed, it will miss to the right because it moved faster to the east than its target. Now let's say you're at the North Pole shooting south. This time your bullet is moving east slower than your target to the south, so it trails behind. From the perspective of the shooter, it still curves to the right. In fact, as long as you're somewhere in the northern hemisphere, your bullet will curve to the right no matter which way you shoot. If, on the other hand, you're shooting south from the equator, this time you'll miss to the left because the bullet is moving faster to the east compared to your target to the south. In fact, if you're in the southern hemisphere, your shots will always curve to the left. This curving effect is called the Coriolis effect, named after the French mathematician Gaspard Gustave de Coriolis. And the Coriolis effect is why the Foucault pendulum rotates, why airplanes adjust their course, and why hurricanes spin a certain direction. So the next time you find yourself hunkered down in the northern hemisphere, make sure to aim a few inches to the left. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit the like button. It really makes my day.